बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अज़ीज़ तलबा व तालिबात, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। क्लास 5 इंग्लिश ग्रामर एंड कंपोजिशन आज हम शुरू करेंगे और इसमें हम करते हैं सबसे पहले नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 98, स्टोरी द हेयर एंड द टॉर्टॉइस। There were a hare and a tortoise in a forest. They became friends. The hare was proud of his fast speed. He taunted the tortoise of his slow movement. One day, the hare challenged the tortoise to run a race. The tortoise accepted the challenge. The hare ran so fast that within a little time he reached for head. He lay under a shady tree to take rest. He thought that the tortoise was so slow that he would not be able to surpass him. Soon he fell asleep. The tortoise was slow in speed, yet he continued to walk steadily. Finally he reached the destination. When the hare awoke up, he ran faster than usual to reach the winning post. But he was much ashamed to see the tortoise already present at the destination.
वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें। ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।